Yeah, don't say a word.
No digas nada.
This is Jacob. I wanna tell you something, girl.
Sigue provocándome, no digas nada. Ya